Hey guys, now we are just back from Media and with me in the previous video. Yeah, and so now I'm going to unbox this thing and I'm gonna see the mystery baby. Please don't. So I just found out this is ages 4 plus. My God, I'm 8, almost 9. Okay. Well, let's waste no time. Plus 4 plus. Yeah. Plus. And so we're gonna start right now. Hey! So we're gonna start now. That's what you get for distracting me. You distract me too. So let's start right now. No wasting time. Let's go. Little help, please. Nope. Oh wait, I got it. Are you sure? Yep. Okay. Okay, maybe not.
You're gonna
That's
break
what
that
you
box.
get.
This is not unboxing. Break the box.
Let me tell you. Cats do. I'm your tiger. That's how you open it. She's older than me. She can't open it. Much better. Much better. And then you peel it out. Okay, maybe not that one first. Let's get this one out first. I'm gonna get this out. They don't get to have their names. Okay, where's the bathtub? We need one bathtub. Oh. I'm excited. Say, I don't know which one is this. You got a girl. This one's a girl. This one's a boy. Yeah, this one's a boy. I know. Alright, a little help, please. I just randomly opened it. Oh, here you go. It's open. Thank you very much, madam. I got the dirtiest baby ever. Ew. You want to name it? Let's open it. So, let's dump that in the water. So, I got a common right over here. See it? I got the very dirty baby. Dirty baby. So, I'm gonna name you. What should I name you?
Janice.
No. So, you guys try finding a name in the comments below. Okay? So, I really want this one. Limited edition. We got the water here. Thank you very much. So, Janice prepared the water already. And then we're gonna dump it. See? Wait, I'm gonna dump the dirty one first. So I'm gonna, but we need names first. I'm gonna
Wait,
name
clean
you.
the area. Please.
So I'm gonna sweep out the place. So I'm gonna name you Brownie. I'm gonna name you Cookie. Cookie. That's your name. The name will be Cookie. And it's a cute baby boy. Was born on, what date is today? It's September 8th. Born on September 8th. September 8th, 2019. Belongs to Lala Angsana. What's his name? Cookie. Can I see? So I'm gonna name her Amy. I'm gonna name her Amy, and this is Bobby. So I'm gonna do this dirty baby. Hey, Cookie no. Cookie yeah. Or maybe dirty. It changes its color. It's pink. I got 2 boys. Did you guys see it? You're so lucky. How so? I got 2 boys. Alright, so can someone help me bring a tissue? Like get that tissue and lay it out. Right, so this one turned pink. And if I wipe it out, damn. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna dry this bad boy. And now put the chef later. So I'm gonna put Bobby first. I'm gonna guess it's blue. So yes, it is blue. It's like some type of lightish blue. Can you see that? It's different from the shirt color. Next, the chef. Hey, don't just lay it down there. So let me try to see. It's another pink color. So just dip you in. Yup, another pink color. Okay, there we go. We're gonna set this up red. So we found out everybody's color. So I'm gonna oh my, what happened to your leg? So now it's time to eat. Nom nom nom. Sadly, we don't have any food. So let's pretend it's food. Alright, so first off, Amy will go first. JK, I want the special goes first. Bam. I'm gonna put Cookie. Yep, Cookie. You heard me right. Can I see this? Yep. So Cookie. Cookie. Behave yourself, please. There you go. So let's. First off, starting from the back. You're gonna get to bed. I'm gonna change her name to Georgia. She's a girl. Yeah, her name's Georgia. So Georgia will be the first baby. She is 1 day old because they're all twins. So let's move on. This one is what was his name again? Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. So Bobby is also 1 day old. So he's 1 day old. Oh my god. And he likes eating and messing around with his food. As you can see, he actually has no hair, but he puts his bowl and puts noodles all around him. So this one is, I just forgot to tell you about her. So this is Georgia. She is also 1 day old. She likes cooking. Next, but last but not least, the special one, it is Cookie. Cookie's a girl, and she likes to play with paint. She likes painting. And she's not really good at painting because she is a baby. Yeah, but she'll be a wonderful painter. Yeah. So that's all. Draw a flower on her baby test. So isn't that cool?
So that's all what?
So that's all about the baby. So guys, I think this is all. And if you liked it, so click that like button, click that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and everything will be fine. So goodbye, peeps.